Nowadays, many people got eyesight problems due to changed lifestyle by spending three-fourths of the day by watching TV, mobile, laptops, gadgets, and due to dust, pollutions, etc. In modern science, for the eyesight disorders, except surgery, no other way is to treat it. Ayurveda suggests some practice to maintain and improve the vision. By the regular practice of these steps, anybody could get back their proper vision. Ayurveda recommends 5 most easy techniques that can be practiced at home to improvise the eyesight. Eye wash. Ayurveda recommends wash the eye using Triphala water. Triphala, which is the best drug used to improvise the eyesight and helps to cool the eye. Triphala powder to be added in a water and keep it like that for 6 to 8 hours. Then filtrate the upper portion till we get a clear liquid. Use that clear liquid for eye wash. If you felt it's a lengthy procedure, you can use rose water, which is easily available in market for washing the eye. Sun gazing. Sun gazing is a practice looking directly at sun during sunrise or during sunset. It is a safe ritual to do during first 30 to 45 minutes after sunrise or before sunset. Sunlight helps to widen the iris, which is necessary for the eye health. Sunlight provides vitamin D, melatonin, calcium absorption capacity, which is needed for overall maintenance of the health. Foot massage. Ayurveda recommends Padabhyanga has to be practiced 10 to 15 minutes before bath. Massaging the foot by henna paste, oil or butter, it reduces the eye-related disorders and helps to get proper vision. Foot having acupressure points of eye at the toes and at the base of the toes. By pressing that point regularly, one could get healthy eye. Nasya. It is the practice of instillation of a medicated oil to the nostril. Ayurveda recommends Anutaila to be used in a Nasya procedure. Anutaila is a medicated oil which consists more than 20 drugs, which is easily available in a market. It has to be done 3 times per week. For example, if you practiced today, then you have to avoid it on next day. On the 3rd day, you have to practice it again. By the regular practice of Nasya, one could strengthen their sense organ and helps to improvise the vision. Trataka. The word Trataka means steady gazing. It is a procedure in yoga which involves gazing or fixing eye on one point without blinking eyes. It is one among the Shat Karmas, that is 6 procedures of yoga, which has to be done by yoga practitioner each day. Trataka is the yogic purification in Hatha Yoga to develop the concentration. By this, one could get a sharpened eye. Trataka should be practiced in a dark room or during night. By practicing these 5 steps, so many people got benefits. If you adopt these 5 methods in your daily routine, you're gonna experience magic in your life. You will get disease-free eyes and able to see the world without specs. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Knowledge should be free and shared. Please share with your friends and families. Thank you for watching this video.